So I've got Windsor Castle behind me, and what I wanted to do in today's video was show you how much money you need to make a passive income when you're using JonnyBlockchain. So if you're looking to make 400 a month, 500, 600 or 800 or even 1,000, I'm going to show you what money you need in your account, either in your Metamask wallet or in your Binance account, for your trading robots to trade constantly and make you that passive income. Let's pop over to my laptop and I'll show you. So I'm looking at this user's account, and as you can see, in the last 7 days they've earned $780. So if we get our calculator, put the $780 in there and then divide that by 7, so this user's making just over $111 a day, and in the last 24 hours they've got $67.93. So let's go and have a look to see how much money this particular user is trading with. So first off, let's go to their bot screen. So you can see a couple of numbers at the top of the screen here. You'll see that there's 16,625. That's for the Binance trading robots, and you'll also see the DEX trading robots is $505. So this user has got 57 active trading robots. Now there's a few things that we have to take into account when setting up trading robots that affect how much money you need to actually trade with. The first thing is obviously the token. If you've got a token that's got massive high volatility, so it can go up a lot but it can also go down by a lot, then you're going to need a higher trading fund. If you've got a token that doesn't tend to drop that much, it has a steady sideways action, then you're not going to need that much to trade with. So let's just have a look at some of these trading robots to understand how much is being traded here. So let's look at this first bot, this AVAX bot. And as you can see, it's done 18 transactions. Now, one transaction is a buy and a sell. That's one completed transaction. Now, sometimes what the bot will do is it will buy, the price will drop, and it will buy again. So it's got 2 open lots, and then it may buy again and again and again, and then it eventually starts to sell some of the lots. And then soon as it sells, you might have 10 open lots, but it's actually completed one transaction because now it's closed one of the open lots. So you now got 9 open lots and 1 completed transaction, which is a buy and a sell. So as you can see, this trading robot has done 18 transactions and it's got 1 lot outstanding. Now, the reason why I say it depends on the token is because if we look at this token over here, this one here, you can see that this one's actually got 4 lots outstanding. So this one would need more funds than this AVAX one, and you'll see that this one's got 3 lots outstanding. So this one's actually using least amount of funds, then this one, and then this one. But obviously we have to take into account the ROI. Now the ROI can only be worked out on a transaction, which means a buy and a sell. You cannot work out an ROI if you've got open lots. Until they sell, that's when the ROI is worked out. So as you can see that this bot here has an ROI of $57, so it could have rinsed and repeated the same $20 or $50 or $100 many times over. This one here has got 149 ROI, and this one has got 2381. Now if we scroll down, we go down to some of the ones that are on Binance, you can see that this one's got 6 lots outstanding. So if we go down a little bit further, this one has only got 3 lots outstanding, 4 lots, 2 lots, 7 lots, 11 lots. So this bot here has had to open up 7 open trades for it to carry on trading. Now obviously what the bot needs, it needs to have those funds available, because this particular coin, the price keeps on dropping. So looking at this one here that's got 11 lots outstanding, this particular bot at the moment has got a risk capital of $415. So that means that this trading robot is used $415 and it's holding that in this CKB token inside the user's Binance account, waiting for the price to do a couple of things. It's either going to go up so it can start to sell some of those open lots, and it's got 11, or it may need to buy more lots because the price will keep dropping. So depending on the token that you're trading with will determine how much you need as a risk capital reserve funds inside your wallet, whether it be your Metamask wallet or your Binance account, for the robot to carry on trading. So if we come right back to the top of the screen, this guy has got a risk capital of 16,625, meaning that the robot can use all of that money, if it wants to carry on trading on the Binance bots. And on his DEX bots, which is his PancakeSwap bots, he's got a risk capital of just over $500. I'm going to click on this plus sign and I'm going to put it onto expert mode. I'm not going to be looking at the token. What we need to look at is the actual trading lots, the trading strategy. So if we come here, we can see the very first lot is lot 0. And if we go all the way down the screen, you'll see that the last lot is 38. So that means there's 39 lots that the bot can use if the price keeps dropping. So let's understand first what these lots mean. So now let's look at the actual trading settings, the amount that you trade with. So if we look here, we've got the initial lot size, and that's got 20 in there by default. And if you look down here, you'll see that it says 622. What does that mean? So it means that the first trade that's carried out is 20. So that would be lot 0. Now, if the price kept on dropping, then the bot's going to need to buy maybe another lot. And the bot may need to buy another lot. And that could go all the way down to lot 38. So that would mean 39 lots outstanding. But the price would have to drop by at least 83% for the bot to buy all of those 39 lots. So as you can see here, if the price was to drop by 83%, this trading bot would need to have a risk capital or reserve funds of 622. Now, we've seen on the front screen that some bots are doing just one lot, some bots are doing 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, and we had a bot that was doing 11 lots. If we was to change this here, this number here, this 20, and I put in there 50, for example, you'll see that this goes up. And that means that this is saying if the price of this particular trading token was to drop by 83%, then you're going to need a risk capital of $1,555. So let's just put this back to $20. And now let's understand if you was going to delete some of the lots off. Okay, so if I was to come over to this dustbin on the side here, watch what happens to this number. You'll see that that number starts to go down. So if I come down here, I go down to lot 10 and I start to delete all of these off. Let's just get rid of this. So now I've got 10 lots that the robot could use, which is lot 0 and 9 other lots. And as you can see, if I was trading with the first lot of $20 and the price dropped and it had to use up all of those 10 lots, then it would need $248 in risk capital. Now let's just put another one on there. So now we've got 10 plus 0 is 11 lots. So this bot, if I was trading with $20 on the first trade, it would need a risk capital of $268. Now, if I was to change this to $50, then the risk capital's gone up to $670. And if I was to change this to $100, then the risk capital has gone up to $1,340. Now, what some people do is they do what's called overtrading. So if we look here, it shows you that there's an available balance. Now, the robot knows how much you've either got inside your Metamask wallet or how much you've got inside your Binance account for trading with. And you can see that this balance is 1,271. So if I scroll down, if I was to be trading with these settings that I've got here, where the first trade was $100 and the price went down and it needed to use those 11 lots, this bot would stop trading. The reason being is because the risk capital is higher than what the available capital is. As you can see there, it says 1,340, but the available inside the Binance account in this case is only 1,271. Now, what I could do is just reduce this down to $20, and that means I can set this bot up, and the risk capital for this bot is $268. And if I restore to the default settings, then the risk capital would be for the 39 lots, which needs the price to drop by 83%. And if the price was to drop by 83%, the bot's going to need a risk capital of 622. So this bot wouldn't be overtrading because it's got 1,271 available to trade with. Now it's okay to overtrade because the chances are that your bot's not going to use all the 39 lots. So if we come back to the front panel where we've got the active trading robots, we can see if we just quickly look down, look, this one's got 1 lot, 3 lot, 4 lots. So you can see that the bot's not actually using all of the lots. This one here has got 3 lots, 4 lots. Coming down a little bit further, 2 lots, 1 lot outstanding, 1 lot outstanding. So you see it's okay to overtrade providing your token is not one of those tokens that keep dropping, or if we're in a bear market. The default settings work the best in a bear market, because in a bull market, it's only going to probably use 1 or 2 lots. And it's easy to make money in a bull market. But you want your robot to work when there's a bear market, meaning that the price is going down, and your bot will trade and use the risk capital to find the bottom so that it can trade down at that lower price so that it can start to close the lots above by using what's called the kept profits. Now, I'm not going to go into the kept profits in this video because it will be too long, but you'll find one of those inside the user guide. So when people ask, how much do I need to earn $100 a day? Well, how long is a piece of string? Because I don't know whether you're going to be opening up a bot like this one that needs 11 lots, or you're going to open up a bot like this one that's only used 2 lots. So the risk capital for a 2-lot bot and 11-lot bot is completely different. So if we go back to the settings and saying you were trading with $22 and your bot only used 2 lots. Let's have a look what that is. So we got 2 lots here, lot 0 and lot 1. So if your bot was only using lot 0 and lot 1, like some of the bots are, then the risk capital is only $40. But if your bot needed more lots, then it's going to need a higher risk capital. So if I click this button and restore the default strategy, you can see that the risk capital, if the price drops by at least 83%, the bot's going to need $622. So hopefully that helps you understand that when you ask that question, how much do I need to earn $100 a day? How much do I need to trade with? Well, you may only need $20. You might choose a token that trades very well and it keeps using the $20, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, the same $20 and earns you $100 a day. You may need $50, you may need $60, you may need $600, you may need $3,000, you may need $10,000. It depends on the token that you're trading with and what's happening in the market. If the market's going down, then your bot's going to need more risk capital. If the market's going up and we're in a bull run, you're going to need less risk capital. If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to JonnyBlockchain. You can either use it with a Metamask wallet and PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your Metamask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register, and if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% are bought back, broke even basically, and then we've got 1.1% of negative trades. It means that they made a loss, but 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.